It's time to set up my planner, my Laurel Denise Kristy planner for week 20. Week 19, so pretty. I really loved it. This is Planner Kate stickers with some Happy Planner, little decorations. I did try something new for the month, which is a habit tracker. I didn't add that much stuff to it. Didn't really think about it. Put this in, haven't added anything else to it. I do like it. I like that it takes up some space down here in the note section because I don't really do a lot of to-do lists. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. We're gonna get into week 20, like I said. Hopefully I'll find some other stickers that I can decorate for this week. I have been very tardy at setting up June. The reason for that is that I was able to get into the Cocoa Daisy subscription sticker set. I have been following that brand for a long time. I know some of you in here have been using it or have used it or maybe don't even know about it, but I thought they have the prettiest sticker sets and planner sets. I've been waiting patiently and I got in and they just shipped out the June stickers. And I needed to look at the stickers, see the colors and figure out what to do and if I could use that set every week or just the monthly. And so I have been hedging buying anything for June. So as much as I would like to have June set up, at least the monthly, I have not been able to do that yet. And hopefully this coming weekend, I'll be able to set it up, film that, and give you an idea of what's coming for that. I've been really enjoying trying different things, different sticker sets, and I did order some different sizes of things from Planner Kate for July. So I'll also hopefully be able to show you that down the road when we get to that, but we're only in May right now. So we need to concentrate on May. Let's turn this around. Let's get this set up. Not sure where it's gonna go because I do have some of these new sticker sets or sticker books. I don't know if you were here last week. I got a bunch of them. Actually, that's not all of them. I think I have, there's so many more. I went a little crazy. Many of these were on sale. And so some of them are not available. I will link, if there's anything I use that is available, I'll link it below. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot to ask. Did you get anything from the Laurel Denise Academic launch? I did not. I held back. I have 3 planners right now currently. I'm really trying to stick with the January to December as my year. So I didn't buy anything from the academic, but there are some new planners. And if you're interested, definitely go check them out. I'll link my discount code below. I know that a lot of people were really, really excited about, I think it's the Valerie and the Luna, which are the 2 newest styles that came out. So cool, so great. I love that there's so many new options for everybody. I'm just really happy with my Kristy. And I promised myself I would stick with this for the year. I am still using my small rose. Well, I'm not using them both. I've been a little bit bad. So I have 2 small roses. I have the dated rose and the undated rose. I have not been getting in this. I think that I had very high hopes for the small rose for work and to-do lists, and I'm just not getting into it. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm not gonna stress over the fact that I'm not using it. The one that I'm loving is my undated rose that I'm using for travel. So this is a look back at what I did. I went back in and I did the February trip I took and I went in and I added everything in there. And I'm currently working on our May trip, which is coming next week. Oh my goodness, a week from next week, we leave. So I've been using this for that. So I've been really enjoying this new travel setup for the undated rose. So this was a great find and a great sort of setup for that. The dated one, not really using it. And I find that I'm constantly reaching for my Kristy. I want to be in the Kristy. I love everything about this layout. And I think it's cluttering up, having too many for me. And I'm okay with it. I'm going to have that as a learning experience. I may get back into it in other months, so I'm not going to stress over it, but I am going to continue enjoying, loving this Kristy because I think I found the right planner for my every single day. So let's turn this around. I'll be quiet. We'll set up week 20 together and then we'll chat at the end. Here is a quick look back at week 19. You can see right here that I really didn't do a lot of things in here. I've got 3 more lines from my habit tracker. I did like this little circle here, the colors, the boxes, all that's been really great. And bringing in the erasable highlighters, I just love these. I think they're just help sort of highlight different things, like yellows are kind of like errands. I did swim. Oh my God, the weather has been so hot, 90, 91, 92. It's gonna be 90 today. So you can see where I started swimming, which I really love. And that's one of the reasons we moved to Florida, is to get in here and be swimming every day. So that is just awesome. So here we go. And we have a clean, fresh week for week 20. And let's just set this up. I don't think in advance about this. I pull out my stickers that are for the month. So I pulled these out. These are what I currently have. I didn't actually use these small washi last time, so I need to do that this time. So this is everything that I have. And then I have a bunch of these, like I was talking about earlier, I have a bunch of Happy Planner ones that I can kind of go into and pull maybe something that might go with this, but I haven't pre-thought this out. I'm not that organized, I will say. I pull everything out, I put it on my desk, and then I get to work. So let's do it and see how this blank slate evolves. That is a look at week 20, and I used this, where is it? I used the Whimsical Seasons from Happy Planner. I don't know if this is available or not. I just was kind of finding colors that went with this, and there's some orange, this turquoise, and I was playing around with this one. I was trying to do it sideways, which I realized was too big. And then I thought, oh, of course, maybe it's just supposed to be up and down. So I added that. I added these kind of fun pots. And then I didn't know where to put this week. So I put that there on another one of these. And then I can fill in. I did some appointments in here that I have. And that is a great structure to start next week and be ready to fill in whatever else I need. Every week's just a little bit different depending on what you have, and as much as I'm using the exact same stickers month after month or week after week, things are not always the same. For instance, I did this washi tape here, and normally I would go down and create my own habit tracker here like I've done in months past or weeks past. And this time I thought, oh, I did the bigger one here. I should have put it here. And then I did the thin washi here versus last week when I had the thicker washi at the bottom like this and the thinner one here. And it's all good because it's fun to mix it up, change it up, see what I like better. I did use the thinner washi here. I did it over the longer one, so I wanted to just cover that up. So I put a pot here. And then this sticker, I think I already said that. I was trying to do it sideways and realized it needs to go up and down. And yeah, so it's fun to just go with it and not stress over them being uneven or placed funny, because all of these up here on these headers are never straight. They're just never straight, but I'm not looking at it like, oh, wow, it's off. No, I don't notice it when I'm doing it during the week, and it just is a fun pop of color with the dates for the day. So I love how this is turning out. Every week's just a new design, a new pattern. I'm so glad I did invest in a bunch of these sticker books because I'm enjoying them. And that's the point of this, is to have fun and enjoy using your planner. And I think that's why I'm sticking with it, because I am enjoying it. It is fun. So thank you so much for being with me this week for week 20. Don't forget to let me know, did you get anything from the academic launch? Are there any new stickers that you're loving and using? Because I'm always on the hunt. Be sure to check back to see what I do, because hopefully June will be here and I can set up June, because I really want to get that monthly done and I want it to kind of correlate with the Cocoa Daisy stickers. Don't know if it's going to work or not, but again, I'm not going to worry about it being perfect, because honestly, I don't know if you noticed, but I don't really go into my monthly very often. Once I set it up, I sometimes go check on it, but I'm really a day by day in here kind of person. I'm not really going to the big calendar and adding or changing or doing anything in here. This is more like a overview in advance that I like to have. So that's all I got for you for week 20. Thank you so much. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes up. If you are interested in any of my travel and all that, we're currently working on, I've just put up the last of the Nile cruise video. That went up yesterday, and I'm working on the Jordan section. Hopefully that'll go up on Sunday. And then obviously there's makeup in here and all that as well in here, but there's a little bit of everything in this channel. It's called Ridgely's Radar for a reason, because it's everything on my radar, and hopefully some of those things are of interest. And if not, if it's only planner, so I love having you here just for that as well. So thank you so much, and I will see you next week for week 21.